back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I have tried out a lot of affordable makeup options for you guys, makeup products from different affordable brands and different websites. So as I was scrolling through Amazon, I found this product. So first I'll tell you what it is. It is the ADS makeup pencil. So I was also like, what is this makeup pencil as such? So I read that they have like these are a mix of eye pencils and lip pencils. Like for you can use them as a kajal, as an eyeliner, as well as a lip liner, and in many other ways as well if you are that creative. So it has 12 pieces of pencils in here, right from light blue, dark blue, red, pink, purple, green, black, gray, brown, all colors you have in here. So this was priced at around 150 rupees. So in 150 I thought of trying out the quality for you guys. So I must say, like, I'm not super impressed with these. As such, some colors are very pretty pigmented and all, and one of them did not open and only, like, I'll just show you. So this is the packaging, plastic packaging, and in that you have all the pencils right here. So they do not like feel luxurious at all, they feel very flimsy and like, but I thought that let's see the product, actual product, how it is. So these are all the ones. Like, I'll start with brown one. This is a brown. I'll individually swatch every color for you so that you get a better idea. So brown from inside is a copper color, like, so I don't think so you will be able to see the swatch clearly. So it's very light, it's a copperish shade. Then you have a light blue. So this looks very vibrant, but from inside it's not that. Like, this is how the shade light blue looks like. Then we have this fuchsia pink shade, purplish pink you can say. So like, this is pigmented, as you can see, the blue, and this is very pigmented. So then we have a gray color, which did, like, you can see it's yellow from inside basically. So it's not at all pigmented and just broke it. So this is not at all pigmented, as you can see, like, it's not pigmented. So the next shade we have is the dark blue color. Like, this all work fine, but the color is not that great. So this dark blue is also not that great, and it's also very, like, it's breaking out easily. It's very smooth, like very soft. So this is the dark blue, like you can hardly see it. Then we have a red color. Let's see how it is. Yeah, so red is pigmented, as you can see. So just 150, if 3-4 also work fine, that I'm happy that I have chosen a right thing. Like, I don't want all of them to work. It's fine. So this color I have right here does not even open. Like, it's very bad to say that it's a flop. Then I have a black one, like basic black color. So this also is pigmented and works very fine, like very soft. So this is the black shade. Then you have another pink shade, and this also seems very similar to the first one, but it's a little bit on the fuchsia side. So this is how it looks, last one. Then you have a green, like a dark green, which is I'm wearing as a liner right now. So I did not want a bold liner, so I went for this smoky look. So this is how it looks. I broke it while applying. This is also pigmented, as you can see. Then we have a light green color. This is also not that pigmented. Here it is. And last shade we have is a proper purple color. So I'll just swatch this. So this is pigmented here. So yeah, as you can see, like, most of the colors are pigmented, and in 150 rupees 12 pencils is great deal, I feel, to try out for beginners, like those who want that colored eyeliner looks. So for them it's great. And also lip pencils are there, like basic lip pencils you need are like a nude and red, pink, so that are there. So yeah, If you like the video, if you are interested, then the buying link will be there in the description, so please do check out. And if you like the video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.